right vehicle? Check out the 2018 IS. The IS is the compact luxury sedan offered by Lexus under Toyota. The IS fits the bill for sports-minded drivers looking for luxury in a compact design. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, four-wheel disc brakes, tires, front performance. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.